Welcome to our YouTube channel. Join us as we count down the top 10 easy 5-minute breakfast recipes. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content.
Number 10 Delicious Veggie Omelette. To cook delicious veggie omelette, heat oil. Add chopped veggies. Sauté until tender. Beat eggs with salt and pepper. Pour into the pan. Cook until set. Sprinkle cheese. Fold omelette in half. Cook for a minute. Serve hot. Number 9 Energy Boosting Banana Bread Muffins. To cook energy boosting banana bread muffins, preheat oven. Mash bananas, mix with eggs, honey, and melted coconut oil. In a separate bowl, combine oats, almond flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Pour wet ingredients into dry and mix well. Fold in chocolate chips. Transfer to muffin tin and bake until golden. Number 8 Savory Breakfast Wrap. To cook a savory breakfast wrap, scramble eggs and cook bacon. Warm tortilla in a skillet. Layer tortilla with eggs, bacon, cheese, and veggies. Fold and cook until cheese melts. Serve hot.
Number 7 Yogurt Parfait with fresh berries. To cook yogurt parfait with fresh berries, layer Greek yogurt, granola, and mixed fresh berries in a glass. Repeat the layers until the glass is filled. Drizzle with honey and sprinkle some chopped nuts on top. Serve chilled.
Number 6 Fluffy Pancakes in a flash. To cook fluffy pancakes in a flash, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk milk, melted butter, and eggs. Add wet ingredients to dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Heat a non-stick pan and pour batter onto it. Cook until bubbles form, then flip and cook until golden brown. Serve hot with your favorite toppings.
Number 5 Cheesy Breakfast Quesadilla. To cook cheesy breakfast quesadilla, sauté diced onions and bell peppers. Add scrambled eggs and cook until fluffy. Spread shredded cheese on a tortilla, top with egg mixture, and another tortilla. Cook on a griddle until cheese melts and tortillas are golden brown. Serve hot. Number 4 Avocado Toast with a twist. To cook avocado toast with a twist, mash ripe avocados and spread on toasted bread. Top with a drizzle of honey, sprinkle of chili flakes, and a squeeze of lime juice. Garnish with sliced radishes and fresh cilantro. Serve and savor the delicious twist on classic avocado toast. Number 3 Quick and Healthy Smoothie Bowl. To cook quick and healthy smoothie bowl, blend frozen fruits, yogurt, and a splash of milk until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with your favorite toppings like granola, fresh fruits, and a drizzle of honey. Dig in and savor the deliciousness.
Number 2 Simple Overnight Oats. To cook simple overnight oats. In a jar, combine rolled oats, milk, any kind, and a sweetener of choice. Add toppings like fruits, nuts, or seeds. Stir well, cover, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, give it a good mix and enjoy your delicious and nutritious breakfast.
Number 1 Speedy Scrambled Eggs. To cook speedy scrambled eggs, crack eggs into a bowl, whisk with salt and pepper. Heat butter in a non-stick pan. Pour eggs into the pan. Stir until fluffy. Add shredded cheese, chopped herbs, and diced tomatoes. Continue stirring until eggs are cooked. Serve hot.
Thanks for your watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.